What's up, everyone? Thanks again for tuning in for another video where we talk about doing binary options trading on the platform Pocket Option. If you are new to the channel and it's your first time, welcome. Take a moment in your free time to watch the previous videos so you understand what we've been talking about up until now. If you like the tips and strategies that I'm sharing each and every day, then consider hanging around, turn on your notifications, smash that like button, leave a comment if you have some time. And I must say thanks again. I love seeing these types of comments. Just lets me know that you do enjoy the content and you look forward to the videos that I'm producing each and every day, and it's bringing you some value and you're learning to trade and enjoy the Pocket Option platform. Also too, consider signing up for Pocket Option. Again, the link is in the description. You can use my link so you can begin with your first deposit and start getting the financial freedom you're seeking. Getting familiar with the platform. One of the things that I like to see in my coaching calls is that you are comfortable with the platform. In other words, you know your way around it. You know how to find the candles, you know how to set them up, you understand about the expiration time, you know how to change it, you know which time that you want to use, which one you want to use in your trading session, so you can make the best entries possible. I also like to see that you're pulling back the screen, observing all the price movement prior to you getting into the trade. Whether you're looking about taking a trade on a currency pair, a commodity, or a stock, it's important to continue to look at that price movement to see where it was going previously. So it's important that you understand everything that you're looking at and you're making sure you're getting those confirmations from all of the indicators that you're using. You can start from the bottom from your stochastic if you're using a stochastic or an RSI. You can start with that and begin looking up, moving up to an indicator or a moving average that you're using, like the 200 SMA, to see the trend. So you're kind of counting up from the stochastic. Confirmation number 1, is it over the 80? Is it under the 20? Confirmation 2, I'm using a 200 SMA. Is it showing me a trend? Whether there's an uptrend or downtrend. Is my SMA under the price? Look at where I can start looking for a buy. Is my SMA above the price, where I can start looking for a sell? These are important confirmations that you have to learn to begin training your eye to look for. You're using these so you can make sure to make the best decision on whether you need to take a sell or a buy. So spend a little time poking around on the platform to discover how you can use it to your advantage in your trading sessions. If you're sticking with just trading the currencies for the day during the regular market, never forget about the economic calendar. Here it is again. You need to know how much volatility is in the market for whichever pairs that you want to trade. You may find that a particular pair that you had in mind will be experiencing a lot of volatility. Let's go over it again real quickly. This is how you can determine which pairs are going to have the volatility. You will see the 3 stars next to it. Click on the filter. Apply. Let's move back up to the top and see which ones have 3 stars. Those are going to be the pairs that are going to be experiencing a lot of volatility for the day. Therefore, you may not want to trade those particular pairs or have some caution if you do. Entries. You are looking to enter either at the top of the candle or before it closes prior to 30 seconds if you are on a 1-minute candle. I've talked about this before, where if you enter late, then the trade will go a little bit longer. On a 1-minute candle, it will go a minute longer if you get in, like say, around 22 seconds. Always work that demo so you have a sniper entry. Your eyes need to be trained on the candle and the price movement so you can either decide whether it's for a 1 or 2 or even a 5 or 15 second trade. Your eyes need to be focused on the candles and how the price is moving. Okay, now let's talk a little bit about income streams. We've mentioned this before. One of the things about income streams just in general, obviously, we are living in a whole new world. Okay, many people are looking for side hustles. They're trying to quit their 9-to-5 job. We're in the Great Resignation. You may want to consider other income streams along with the pocket option platform. In other words, don't make it your everything. Find other income streams that you can get into. And I say that especially if you're a beginner, because if it doesn't go well, then things are not going to be so great. Don't put your last $50 in there. Don't put your last $100 and hope and pray that you can make $2,000 so you can do whatever it is that you need to do. You might be thoroughly disappointed. Why? Because you're new to the platform. You may not understand it. It takes some time for you to practice in that demo, begin to hit your marks with your entries, and to have successful trading sessions. Just keep in mind, try to use the platform in addition to your other income streams in case things don't go the way that you expect. Okay, for today's strategy, we are going to be using the Fractal indicator. Here are the settings. We are going to leave it on 2, which is the default settings. And here are the styles. We are also going to be using the zigzag for resistance and support points. As you can see, the zigzag is showing us resistance at the top of the candles and at the bottom for support. Look for the fractal signal either in the resistance or support positions. When you see the small arrow points, ones that are green, that are above the candle, then you're looking to take a sell. When you see the small arrow which is red, you're looking to take a buy. Let the zigzag guide you, again, with resistance and support. It doesn't always have to be directly on the candle where the fractal arrow is located, but that arrow can be nearby, letting you know which direction to take the trade. As you can see, the fractal arrow is red, so you're going to be looking to take a buy. Now, let's see how these trades play out.
We were young and we were free and running, never bothered about what could be coming. Every day we danced and life was smiling. We were young and drunk in love. A few years later I have started thinking, if it's just love in every glass I'm drinking, we're like one and without you I'm sinking. I'm always shining next to you. Oh, I got you, there's no reason to chasing pavement on my own, 'cause you're here to stay every night and day. I'm delighted 'cause I got you.
I have always been afraid of changes, but you show me life is full of faces. Sometimes clouds got in our favorite places, but we were young and unaware.
Oh, I got you, there's no reason to chasing pavement on my own, 'cause you're here to stay every night and day. I'm delighted 'cause I got you. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. I'm just fine 'cause I got you. Rain got in my way before, pouring like a waterfall. I've cried a million tears and more to find out where I belong. We're not young, but we're still free and running, and this day has never kept us bothering. Every day we dance and life's been smiling. We're not young, still drunk in love. Oh, I got you, there's no reason to chasing payment on my own, 'cause you're here to stay every night and day. I'm delighted 'cause I got you. La 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 la. Time is up, nothing to do. You are gone, that makes me blue, but here he comes to take me to. I know I should have done this, should have quit this long ago. Can't stand another heartbreak, but it's time to let it go. It'd be easier for me if I turn away to flee. Oh, but there's something holding on in the way of being long gone. Time to wake up, time to wake up. I try so hard to fade away, but something's forcing me to stay. It'd be easier for me if I turn away to flee. Oh, but there's something holding on in the way of being long gone. Time to wake up, time to wake up. Time to wake up, time to wake up, baby. Time to wake up. I just wanna hold you. I just wanna look into your eyes and tell you that I want you. You know you make me feel so alive. Can't stop thinking about you day and night. Love it when you kiss me, love it when we touch. Every time I'm down here, you make me smile. You're the solution. You are, 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 you are the solution. You are the solution. You are, 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 you are the solution. You are the solution.
And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure you turn on your notifications so you get my videos each and every day. Smash that like button, leave a comment, and I'll see you on the next one.